Hi guys, Macy Lou here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the brushes in Medibang Paint. Actually, I'm just going to show you kind of a quick overview of the different brush options so that you can know what it comes with. Now, I may or may not have the most updated version of Medibang Paint, so if there are any other brushes that I don't have, I apologize, but this is just a video on what I have in my app that has just come with the app so that you can get an idea of the different options for brushes. So as you can see, I am demonstrating the different brushes and I'm changing the size, the opacity and everything, and kind of fiddling around with the different types of brushes that are in Medibang Paint. Now, I plan to make this a series where I show you different things in this app, and so if you guys enjoy this series, please leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you have any questions at all about this app or anything you want to learn how to use, let me know in the comments down below, because I need to know what you guys need from me to teach you about this app. So I've been using this app for quite a while to create digital art, to create digital concept sketches for oil paintings, to create paper dolls for my future Patreon rewards. By the way, if you are interested in getting any digital printable paper dolls from me, go ahead and check out my Patreon page right now. The link will be on the screen, because I definitely want you to be able to check that out and be able to be a part of the Patreon family that I have, the little tiny Patreon family that I have so far. Because these new rewards will be coming soon. I'm planning to launch them in March, hopefully, or I think March is probably when I'm going to launch them. It may be the end of March, though, so be looking out for that. So I have been using Medibang Paint for all these different things, and it's been super duper helpful. It's been a breeze to use, and I highly recommend it. I use it on my iPad Pro, and I also use an Apple Pencil to actually make the marks and draw. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns about this app. I think it's a great app to get. A lot of people use Procreate, but personally, Medibang Paint is my favorite, so I can't recommend it enough. So I hope you guys check it out if you haven't already. And yeah, so I guess I'll just, I'll leave you guys with the rest of this video. Thanks for watching. So before I go, I just want to shout out my patrons. They're on the screen right now, and I just want to thank them so much for supporting me. They're always so super kind and sweet, and they help me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for being patrons.